Good morning, Muhlenberg County, and welcome to another What's New Wednesday video.
As always, we have new materials at the library to share with you today. This isn't a complete list, but we like to highlight a few intriguing items each week we think you might be interested in.
This week in new materials, we have Marriage Story, a film by writer-director Noah Baumbach and starring Scarlett Johansson and Adam Driver. The director says it is a love story about divorce. Plans for an amicable split vanish as the legal system pits them against one another. Nominated for 6 Academy Awards, with Laura Dern winning one. The talent is high with this one.
If It Bleeds by Stephen King. Prolific horror novelist Stephen King is back with this new collection of 4 short stories. In the title story, Holly Gibney, a familiar character from the Bill Hodges trilogy, returns to grapple with evil again. Holly's story is joined by Mr. Harrigan's Phone, The Life of Chuck, and Rat in this exciting addition to King's body of work.
Murder with Cucumber Sandwiches by Karen Rose Smith. Amateur sleuth Daisy Swanson returns in the 3rd installment of the Daisy's Tea Garden Cozy Mystery Series. This time, Daisy has to try to solve the murder of cantankerous food critic Derek Shoemaker, especially since Shoemaker keeled over after sampling a meal from Daisy's own restaurant.
Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker by Ray Carson. This novelization of the film by the same name features all new scenes, never before seen material, and deleted scenes. If you've seen the movie, and even if you haven't, the additions and changes made here should provide an exciting adventure.
Sea Wife from writer Amity Gaige. Juliet and her husband decide to buy a sailboat and sail the seas with their 2 children. The results were transformative, reinvigorating their marriage and bringing Juliet out of her depression. But out on the sea horizons are unforeseen challenges. Told in dual perspectives, Juliet's first-person narration and her husband's ship logs, the reader gets to experience both sides of their thrilling journey.
Fly Girls: How 5 Daring Women Defied All Odds and Made Aviation History by Keith O'Brien. Former reporter Keith O'Brien delves into the fascinating but largely overlooked history of early female pilots. Amelia Earhart is mentioned, of course, but so are her colleagues Ruth Elder, Ruth Nichols, Florence Klingensmith, and Louise Thaden. Together, these women broke through barriers and made their own history. In other news, we have new craft kits going out soon for children and teens. We will be passing out craft kits to elementary age students, as well as different kits for middle and high schoolers, the first week of each month this fall.
We'll also have small weekly kits for preschool storytime age group.
We'll be sharing a registration form soon to sign up for these kits, and be aware you must register in advance to receive a kit so we know how many to put together. Registration will begin later this week, so follow us on social media so you don't miss our announcements.
You can also sign up for our Remind service to get a reminder by text or email about the kits we'll be handing out. Links for that service should be appearing on the screen now, and they're also available in the video description.
Don't forget, we also post weekly videos for kids and families every Friday. These include fun craft activities, online read-aloud stories, and more. In tomorrow's video, Miss Molly and a special guest are going to be demonstrating a fun tree craft, and next week Miss Susan will be reviewing some of the craft kits we mentioned.
Some of the videos will expire on August 31st though, due to publishers' requirements, so if you haven't watched them yet, don't wait too long. All our past videos are available on our YouTube channel and the video section of Facebook.
That's all we have for this week. Thanks for watching and have a great week.